you.
So Vicky, with just a couple of weeks left for Raman Raghav, it's a very interesting trailer. What's your character like in the movie?
My character's name is Raghav.
Yeah.
He's a cop, and the film is about the serial killer and a cop.
Okay.
What happens when these two forces come together? The interesting part is that there's no good or there's no bad. They've got their own tangents, and the cop is not the ideal cop that you would trust upon.
Okay.
He's twisted. He's got his own issues. He's temperamental. He's unpredictable. He's got drug issues. Self-destructed. He's kind of on the edge, and पता नहीं किस तरफ वो बंदा चले जाए. You know, you never know.
Okay.
So yeah. That kind of
I don't know, I mean, if you're aware, लेकिन Wikipedia पे इंटरनेट पे जो फिल्म का जो सिनॉप्सिस है उसमें लिखा है कि the film is about a serial killer called Raman Raghav. तो वो डिफरेंशिएट अब तक नहीं हो पाया है. Actually, people are thinking कि Raman Raghav is what Nawaz is
See,
playing.
now the thing is, Raman Raghav was the serial killer
Yeah.
in the 60s,
Yeah.
who was actually there.
Yeah.
And the title of the film is Raman Raghav 2.0 because
Because
it's another version.
Yeah, and also because you're playing Raghav.
No, and it's the take on the film is very fictionalized.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah.
you'll see the relation between the two things, but it's not exactly based on the serial killer. But it's a version. It's his contemporarized take. It's Anurag sir's contemporarized take on that whole episode. You know, but I think what's turned out with this film is something very different, very special, and something that the audience will feel surprised to watch.
Okay. You locked yourself in a room for 5 days, that's what we heard, to sort of prepare for the audition. Huh? So what was that like? How did you prepare yourself?
So I got a call from Anurag sir,
Yeah.
and he said that I'm making this film Raman Raghav. It's about a serial killer and a cop, and I'm looking at you for the cop's part.
Yeah.
But the problem with me is I know you too well.
Okay.
I know you, so I know your upbringing. I know what kind of circumstances you've gone through, and it's nowhere close to Raghav's,
Okay.
life. And I ideally want an actor who's kind of seen that kind of a life, or those kind of problems in life, but you haven't seen those. So I have my own doubts, but I want you to audition for the part.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, I'll do it.
Yeah.
I was very excited because it was a very exciting part. It was something that wasn't coming my way after Masan and Zuban. So all the roles that I was getting was a very good boy, sincere boy kind of a stuff. So when this came, I was like, okay, this would be a major test for myself also as an actor.
Yeah.
So I was like, I really want this. So I had 5 days to give the audition, and every actor, does his own homework, and it's his own process to reach the mindset of the character, because eventually what primarily I have to do is understand the mindset of the character, believe in it. Only then I'll be able to portray and make you believe in that mindset. So for me, the most important thing is to believe in the mindset of the character and understand it. अब उसके लिए क्या हो जाता है कि कई बार ज़रूरी होता है कि there's a certain kind of upbringing you've had, certain kind of conditioning you're used to, you have to break it in order to understand something different, something the way you don't see life as, see world as. तो वो एक process ज़रूरी था for my own personal thing. It wasn't like कि ये करने से मुझे मैं एक अलग ही लेवल का एक्टर हो जाऊंगा या मुझे कैरेक्टर समझ में आ जाएगा. It was just a process to explore something new inside me. So that's why the isolation was required. So I did lock myself in a house and in a room for 5 days, and the process was quite different, quite maddening.
The first day audition, that's what we heard.
What happened was, after 5 days of locking myself, I gave the audition, and I was heading back home after the audition was over, and I got a call from Mukesh Chavda, the casting director, that Anurag sir is here and he's seen the footage and he's calling you. So I took a U-turn, went back, and Anurag sir just told me that I'm locking you for the part then and there. So I got the role in just 2 hours.
Actually, the character that you're playing also is a womanizer. Yeah.
Not exactly like a womanizer, but it's I think आपको फिल्म देख के समझ में आएगा कि
तो उसके लिए कुछ स्पेशल प्रिपेयर करना पड़ा था या फिर रियल लाइफ काफी था उस चीज के लिए?
To play a womanizer? मैंने बहुत मेथड किया उसके लिए. नहीं, but it was just एक इंसान है जिसको अपना एक रिलीज ऑफ इमोशन नहीं मिला. He's never been able to express who he really is. तो वो कई बार आपको इतना अपने आप को इतना बांध लेते हो, you tie yourself up so much that explosion and everything is happening just inside, and you result in destructing yourself, and that result is Raghav.
Okay. You know, Anurag Kashyap, as we know, he's like this figure who we can attribute to this kind of movies. I mean, you know, the stuff that he does.
Yeah.
बहुत ही अलग टाइप का. तो while you work with him as an assistant director, जब एक actor director का equation आता है, तो वो कैसा था यहाँ पे?
See, Anurag sir, first of all, is much more than just a director to me.
Okay.
Because he's seen me grow since the time I was some 10 or 12 years old.
Okay.
And at a time when I used to call him uncle, you know, because he was my dad's friend and everybody who knew my dad was uncle or auntie for me.
So you don't call him uncle now?
No, I don't. so he knows me in and out, you know. So when I was working as an assistant director, it was always just understanding how a film is made, understanding him as a professional.
Okay.
You know, वो कैसे काम करते हैं, how a team comes together and makes a film and everything. And I was really naive, you know, back then, and I was really hungry to understand, you know, just what it is to make a film.
Yeah.
Now, 5 years down the line, me and Anurag sir have known each other in a different light,
Okay.
you know, and it's been beautiful. And as an actor-director, I feel, you know, any actor who works with Anurag Kashyap, he is spoiled after that. Because the beautiful thing about Anurag sir as a director to his actors is he is very intimate with his actors. He really takes care of them. He really understands them. And also, Anurag sir has himself had a history of theatre. He's done theatre. He's acted a lot on stage. You know, so he understands actors really well. So if at all an actor is getting stuck somewhere in a line or on a word or somewhere, he knows exactly why he's getting stuck. He knows exactly, okay, the problem is with the actor or the word or whatever. There's something. And also, he doesn't bind the actor at all. What he would do is, he would make you understand the scene. He would explain you the emotion, and he will just leave you there and just let you bring out what you can as an artist, you know, and then he'll actually just direct you. He would never act it out and show it to you how it's supposed to happen. He would never say the dialogue and show it to you, you know, this is how I want the dialogue. He will just direct you कि अच्छा, you creating the space now as artists, इसको इतना कर लो, इसको यहाँ ले जाओ, इसको यहाँ ले जाओ, and I've got my scene. So he actually just directs you, you know. So that I think is beautiful about it.
Nawaz, in fact, described this process of this whole journey of Raman Raghav as mentally draining.
It is.
Yeah.
It
How
was.
was it for you? Was it as mentally draining for you?
It was mentally draining because it was. See, the characters, both the characters, they were very layered. There was a lot to understand about them, and वही जैसे मैंने कहा कि unless you believe in their mindset, you can't make other people believe in it. And once you believe in a character like Raman or Raghav, you know, who are so twisted, who are so demented, and who see people in a different light, who see the world in a different light. Once you start believing in that perception, it becomes difficult for you to kind of come back to normalcy, you know, as to how Vicky used to see or how Nawaz Bhai used to see their life or people around them. So वो थोड़ा सा draining था because there were times when we used to shoot the entire night, come back, and it was so intense. The scenes were so challenging that you come back and when you snap out of it and you see it in retrospect, आपको लगता है कि यार ये क्या किया मैंने आज, you know, like कि आपको कुछ चीजें, you know, it hits you. तो तब नींद नहीं आती थी फिर वो सोच के, you know, कि अरे यार, you know, now you feel bad about yourself that you were doing something like that. But it's okay. As an artist, this is what kind of you enjoy also and love about your profession also, because you get an opportunity to do some things that you can't do in real life.
Also,